Psychological tricks to change your financial mindset. Some people see daily fires and endless problems that can never be solved. Successful people see problems that lead to opportunities. Some spend almost 8 years studying the second category. The popular finance book, Money Master the Game, features interviews with leading investors such as Warren Buffett, John Bogle, Paul Tudor Jones, Ray Dalio, and Carl Icahn. By the end of the book, you're left with one big edge. Money is a game that plays in your mind every day. Therefore, your financial psychology is much more important than knowing what to invest in. These are the psychological tricks ordinary people can use to make money. Here are some of them. Volatility equals growth. Bitcoin critics make me laugh. They point to the extreme highs and lows of the price and say that's why it's bad. You can't have stable prices and high growth. That's an oxymoron. 200% year-over-year growth in exchange for price swings is a better option every day of the week. You have to take risks to earn more. A life without risk equals a life without growth. The psychological trick is to pick the price volatility of a small percentage of your investments. The money you make from high growth investments like Bitcoin can offset the lower returns of your other investments. A 1% investment in Bitcoin can increase your investment portfolio by a total of 20%. Most people's psychology can deal with a 1% loss. You can be twice as rich by deciding you need half as much. Gumroad founder Sally Lavingia is famous for inventing genius psychological tricks like this one. Our minds subtly tell us that we need more. A great trick when it comes to money is to rebrand the consumer's brain. Decide that you don't need to shop so much. Financial freedom can come from investing and can also come from cutting the amount of money you spend in half. Combine the two and you'll be not out of luck if you do very well financially. Guy who is a school teacher, stopped teaching last year and he now spends his days exploring art from hundreds of years ago and writing short tweets. During the Zoom call, he wore modest clothes and lived in an ordinary house with his 2 children. His found out was tens of millions of dollars. When asked how he did it, what's the secret, he replied that you have to spend half of what everyone else spends and don't care about other people's opinions on what you have. The money he saved went into an index fund that tracks the NASDAQ with 3% leverage. As you can imagine, tech stocks have performed well over the past decade. Program your brain to spend half. A multiple customer mindset. Rewire your brain to see a job as a single client. 1 freelance job and 1 client equals 2 clients. When you have more customers depositing into your bank account each month, you're less susceptible to a gust of wind that knocks your dreams off a cliff. Most careers are spent with only 1 client, very lonely. For a boy suffering from severe mental illnesses, getting paid by a client is a daily nightmare. A meeting from 16 on Friday looks like a possible dismissal. 1 wrong order from a boss that turns into chaos makes you feel like you can't pay the rent. When we want to start a business, it's often overwhelming because we envision it requiring hundreds of customers, but there is a middle ground. Change your mindset from working for 1 client to working for 2 clients. Once you have 2 clients, it's easy to add more. Switch off the noise. There is a lot of noise when it comes to making money. If you've done well, people want to dissuade you from your financial plan. If you've been mean with money, then people want to sell you the latest snake oil. Some people even run to the hills and shout XYZ investment is dead. Turning off the noise is key. Pick a few personal finance experts to read on and off all suitors, especially those with no financial experience, as these people are literally second guessing and it feels good to drag your ego along with them. A disciplined mind that can shut out noise is a superpower. View money as time. We are programmed from childhood to see money as a way to buy things. The number 1 psychological trick that changes lives is to see money as time, so you can do more of what you love to do. Financial freedom is having lots of time, not a Lambo. Become a subscription tight ass. Subscriptions take money from us with things we don't use as much as we think. A subscription assumes you are an advanced user, but the truth is, most of us don't max out our current subscriptions. It's nice to have subscriptions. They trick us into thinking we're solving a problem. Are we really? No. Keeping a tracker on your phone for every subscription you have. You need to make a monthly selection because it's very difficult to avoid software subscriptions. The promise of more time is more appealing than a 1-liter tub of ice cream. Don't let superficial benefits allow your subscriptions to grow. Hone your psychology to notice BS. Our minds are excellent at rationalizing an investment, but we lie to ourselves about money without even realizing it. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin without the good stuff and is an example of an asset class that is misleading many people. Here is a simplistic analysis of Dogecoin as proof of how minds lie to us. When you write the characteristics of Dogecoin, it is quite obvious what it is and why you shouldn't invest thousands of dollars into it. The easiest way to trick your mind is to do the research, analyze the results, read the results, and show them to people you trust for feedback. When you do, you'll find a reason to stay away from investments which are psychological tricks designed to steal money from your wallet and hand it to the nearest Joe Schmo who wears a rainbow hat with a propeller on top. Think long-term, not short-term. Many content creators want to make more money. The problem is, they don't understand the power of long-term thinking. Posting content for 5 consecutive years can completely change your financial position. The challenge is that most content creators give up after 3 to 6 months. They then lose all their winnings. If they knew 5 years could make their content creation goals a reality, they could move forward. The fact that financial success is not guaranteed, but you can certainly look at people who have the same goal and calculate the odds. When I did the experiment, it became clear that my favorite content creators shared the 5-year plan. The same goes for investing in blockchain projects. Many people ask about daily price swings. I couldn't give anything. The price makes no sense, but what matters is the price in 5 to 10 years. The last 13 years have already shown us what is possible with the blockchain. Thinking about making short-term money from investing is a product of gambling, casinos, and the lottery. There is no quick win when it comes to money. Real money is earned over periods of 5 to 10 years. Bringing it all together. How you think about money is just as important as learning how to make money. Don't discount mistaken beliefs or closed-mindedness, as both can destroy your finances. You earn easily when you realize how you think about money. Top earners embrace the financial psychology of top investors, patience, deep thinking, a willingness to take calculated risks, an open mind, and putting money into multiple assets. You only live once, so use the money to buy back your time. With that being said, it's time to end today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Thanks for watching. Take care.